Hello friends, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to discuss certain useful tips for LaTeX typesetting. And I'd like to mention here that the text file used in this video can be downloaded from the link given in the description of this video. Friends, when you write a document or a article in fact using LaTeX, it somewhat looks like this. This is title, author's name, and this one a date comes here unless you switch it off. And then if you write a section, you will often see that the first paragraph is not indented, whereas indentation starts from the second paragraph. Okay, this is the default situation. However, some people may not like this idea. They want that every paragraph should be indented. So how do you do that? All these things will be discussed in this video. Coming back to this date, you can either omit this date completely by switching it off, but sometimes some people want only month and year, and this day number should not be there. So we'll discuss that also in this video. Then what else we have done is names of months and days. How, for example, look at this line. Today's date is October 10, 2024. It is a Thursday today. Now this is automatically generated. Thursday is automatically generated. This date is also automatically generated. Since I have compiled the file today and today's date is October 10, it is written like this. If you compile it tomorrow, it will be October 11 and this will automatically be Friday. All these things I will discuss here. Then future and past dates also with names of months and days we'll discuss. Then we'll discuss something like suppose you want to write a mathematical expression in which some of the symbols are bold and some are not bold, and sometimes entire expression is bold. What are the commands? It is written here, so this way you can make it this thing. I'll discuss in detail. And then most of us use this hyperref package for citation and all these things. Then if you, in that case, using hyperref package, if you write any mathematical expression in the title of a section or title of the paper, then you get some kind of warning. How to avoid that? This also is discussed in this video. And then finally, this font sizes, sometimes this large, huge, all those default sizes are not enough. Sometimes you feel like having a huge symbol like this. Okay, or sometimes you will see that when you write this isomorphism symbol, then it is a bit higher than here you see pi and rho. So you can adjust it like this so that it is in the same level. And of course, if you want huge symbol like this, you can write like this also. Okay. So let us go to the text file straight away. So this is my first page. So we close it. Yeah. So this is my text studio editor. So first of all, this is the title. So this is first you we consider the Okay, I will come to date first, later. In fact, let me see what is the this one indenting the first line. There are two methods. One is manually. If you write this command h page star per indent before this first line, then it will be indented. So let me go here. Yeah. So that means here we have to write h space star, and here I have to write per indent, and don't leave any space between this bracket and capital T of this. There should not be any space here. Okay. Then we compile it and let's see what happens. So you see it has been indented, but this process has indented this line all right, but the second section first line is not indented. So one option is that every time you write like this. The other option is don't write anything like this, and there is a very small package which you can use, and this contains few lines only. This very small package, so it doesn't consume much compilation time. So this indent first. So we'll use this package indent first. Earlier it was commented out, some percentage sign was there, but now I have removed the percentage sign. So indent first I will use, and here I will now compile this and then see each and every first line of each and every paragraph is indented. See here, indented. So everywhere it is indented nicely. So it is written here. So this is also indented. I have not written anything here. I have removed H space per indent, which I wrote earlier, but it is indented. So this is one thing, indent first. Then let us come to the this size business straight away. So how do you write this size business? So this is the one. So for that we have to use this command scale box, then width, height, and object, which object you want to enlarge. Okay, increase or decrease the size, and this command is given by graphics package. So it is here. So I have used graphic package here. So here you see graphic package is used. So commands are very simple. So for example, this pi is written. So width I have taken 5. Okay, 5 times the normal weight, 10 times the normal weight, normal height, 10 means height, and then pi. So first one gives you this one 15 and 10 gives you this. Then sometimes you if you don't write width and height separately, just write height only or width only, then height will be automatically adjusted. That means height also will be 2 only. So that's why only. So remember that width is written within curly bracket and height is written within square bracket, and object is written within curly bracket. Everything is written here, so you can easily understand. And even the for writing this thanks also we have used the same method here. Okay. So let us now come to okay, hyperref package warning. As I said, if you want to write a mathematical expression here, so go to the source here. So then we normally write like this. Suppose I don't write this particular thing. Suppose I don't write this, and I uh, simply write. I write something anything within dollar sign. Say I write alpha alpha. Okay. Then let's see what happens if I compile it. So it has printed alpha all right here, but let us see the log file. You see there is a warning page warning 172. So in this line there is a warning removing math shift alpha, all kinds of warnings are there. So this way you cannot write. What you have to write is you have to write this one TEX PDF. Okay. PDFstring text PDF string, and this one you have to write within curly bracket, and then the second curly bracket you can leave blank, and then perhaps you can compile it. Oh, what I have done, one curly bracket is for this, another curly bracket is for tech, not text PDF string, tech or PDF string. Okay, tech or PDF string. Okay, tech or PDF string. So now you see in the log file there is no warning. Warning is gone. Alpha is still there, but warning is gone. Actually, what happens? This is for bookmark. If you see the PDF file, there is this bookmark list, and yeah, this one. So here you see the title is hyperref. We can make it little bigger. So hyperref package warning for writing alpha in the title, but in the bookmark it is written hyperref package warning in the title. Alpha is not there. So that is because in the second paragraph, second curly bracket, I have not written anything. Now in the second paragraph, this is for bookmark. So here I cannot use dollar sign. So I can write alpha by spelling it. So I can write it like this: ALPHA, alpha. And now we compile it. So here it will be still alpha, but if you go to the this thing, sorry, it has not come. Compile it once again. Compile it once again, and then bookmark, and then let us see. Yeah, now it has come. So here you see hyperref package warning for writing alpha in the title, and now this word alpha has come here because in the second curly bracket I have written alpha. Okay, so that is the purpose of writing. It is not a very serious issue, but sometimes getting unnecessary warning is a bit irritating. So whenever you write mathematical symbols in the title, and at the same time if you use hyperref package, you will get a warning. So to avoid that warning, use this type of command, then it will work. Okay, so I go back to my previous situation. It was this is the original situation. Yes, so you have to write like this. Okay, then you can write here. Okay, so this is one thing. Now let us come to this bold math symbol in an expression. So bold math symbol in an expression command is very simple, and this is given by actually AMS math package. The command is bold symbol and then object. So if you are writing a mathematical expression like this, suppose d pi you want to make bold, and this w you want to make bold, and omega you want to make bold. So before this d pi, a bold symbol command is used, bold symbol d pi, okay. See, bold symbol d pi, then bold symbol w, and another one is bold symbol omega. Then these three things will be bold. Other things where you have not used bold symbol will not be bold. But if you want to make entire expression bold, then you can also use this command. Now the curly bracket is outside, bold math, and everything whatever you write here must be in the math mode. So it is bold symbol this, okay, bold math this one. So in this way everything will be bold here, okay. And of course for making a text bold, you can write text BF, but within math mode text BF will not work. So bold symbol you have to be either bold symbol, and here bold math is outside the math mode, but whatever you want to make bold is inside math mode, okay. So this is what is written here. So now the most important part is indentation. I have already discussed. Now the most important part is this one. Uh, okay, so even the as I said, title. First, let us see title. So let me, if you want to make this title little larger, one thing is that you can make it huge like this. It will be larger, yeah, slightly bigger. But if you are not satisfied with this size, you can still make it even larger. Just remove this one and use this one, okay. So that's scale box command. So let us now compile it. So you see it has become very large. Now let us see how to remove this day from this date. I want only October 2024. For that, uh, there is of course a package called datetime2 package, but it is a very huge package, and it has got lot of things which you may not require, and it actually increases the compilation time to large extent, very by a very big margin. So I personally try to avoid this datetime2 package if I don't need this package for some other purpose. So what we have done here is we have written two one-liners. This one, just in a single line, this command is written. This is for month and year. It will print the name of the month, comma, year, and the second one will print only name of the month. Okay, this one and this one. This space after comma is essential. Don't remove it. Okay, and if you are using datetime2 package, then these commands will not work. So you have to remove datetime2 package, which is already removed here, and then this command you can use in the date. So where date is written here. So name, month, year. This date you can use here, and then see what happens. Yeah. Now see the 10 is gone. It is just October 2024. Okay. And now comes to this section, names of months and okay, names of months and days with or without year. So here names of months, what these two one-liners do, they extract the name of the month from the command today. See, when you write today, it prints the complete date like this, October 10. This is today's date, October 10, 2024. We go back to the text file here. Yeah. So today's date is today. So when you write today, command today, then it prints this one. So using those one-liners, so this month is October and this month and year is October 2024. So this month is name month, this month is name month year. So they give this thing. Okay. And if you want weekday also, then of course date time 2 package also gives you weekday, but I prefer to, as I said, I prefer to avoid this date time 2 package. So instead of that, you can use, it is slightly long, but you can use this one, this command sequence, this sequence of commands. Okay, so here there is it defines a command called name day. So name day is defined between this and this curly bracket. Okay, taking into account leap year and everything. So using this command, if you write here the today's date is today, it is a name day today. So today's date is October 10 and it is a Thursday today. Okay, this today is not a command, it is a text. This slash is given for, this backslash is for space. If I remove this backslash, let's see what happens. If I remove this backslash, this today will come close to Thursday. Let me compile it and see. See, these two words have come together. So it is better to give a slash here and then slash or comma, full stop or anything, any thing you have to write. But if you don't have any other thing to write, for example, here I cannot use full stop or comma, so I can use a spacing command. So it's a Thursday today. So as I say, the first one is using one-liner. The same goal can be achieved by another package called xstring, which is used here. That is a package I have used called xstring. This is string manipulation package. It is not as problemsome, or should I use that word or not? It's not like date time 2 package. Okay, this xstring has other usage also. Sometimes you need to manipulate some text. So this xstring package you can use. So what it does here, from the date October 10, 2024, this 10 will be removed. So if I go to the command here, you see, that means before this first gap, whatever is there, that means the word October is there, it will take that. So that means store before, this is the command of xstring, store before from today before this gap. And second one is store str delete from today this particular thing. Okay, so space number day, so space this day, this will be removed. So in the first case, whatever word is there before this gap, this space, that is October, it is written here. Yeah, see here. And the second one is October 2024. That means this 10 and comma. No, comma is not removed. Only 10 is removed. 10 and the space and 10 is removed. So that the comma comes just after R. So it is October 2024. And date time 2 package I have not used, so it is not giving any output here. At the end of the video, maybe I will show you how to use date time 2 package. Now, so this is what it's written here, xstring package. By the way, documentation for all these packages are available freely in the internet. You can download and read them, and so that you can use it nicely. Okay, so all these commands you can get here. In one of my earlier video also I have used xstring package. Okay, now what about the future and past dates? So suppose you want to write a date after 142 days or after 18 months or 142 days ago or 18 months ago, how will you write that, and along with the day also. So for example, for that a package is required which is called ADVDATE, advanced date, actually advanced date package, ADVDATE. By the way, this package will not work if you are using datetime2 package. It clashes with this package. So a datetime2 package you should not use if you are using this package. Okay. So okay, all these things are written here. Now what is the command for this? Command for this is, see, after 142 days, their date will be March 4, 2025. There are several ways to write this. One is day after 145. So this automatically prints the date. Automatically prints the new date, and the original date is restored after that. So which will be not be, so date is correct, but which will not be a Thursday. So here I have used the command name day. Name day takes the value from today, but today the command today is not, has not changed. Therefore it is giving Thursday. Actually today is Thursday, but March 4 2025 is not Thursday. So if you want name of the day also, then this command is not good enough. Similarly, 142 days ago, if you write the same day after, and but it is minus 145. So day after minus means day before, days before maybe. So it will give you, so 142 days ago, date was May 21, and again name day, this is not a Thursday. So that means name day will give you Thursday. So it is not a Thursday. It will give you, name day will give you this. But there is another command which is called advance date. So it actually advances the date by this many days, and it also modifies the value of today. So now if I write name day, then this today is the new today, and now it is correctly written. Which one? After yeah, this one. After 142 days, 142 days, it will be March 2025, which will be a Saturday. Whether it is Saturday or not, very easy to see, because after 140 means multiple of 7. So today is Thursday. So after 140 days, it will be Thursday only. So 42 days means another 2 days. So Friday, Saturday. So this Saturday is correct. Okay. So this command is written using, this line is written using advanced date, whereas this is using this one, day after. Okay. So it is not giving you the correct day, correct name of the day, but this one is giving you the correct name of the day. And 142 days ago, if you want to write, so minus 142, so again it is Tuesday, because 140 days will give you Thursday only, but 2 more days you have to go back, so it is Tuesday. So that is also correct. Similarly, after 18 months and everything, you can read it from here. And for example, and this will be automatically changed. For example, if you download this file today and then compile it tomorrow and day after tomorrow, you will see that everything is changed here. So here I have written something like, if you have compiled this text file on October 10, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel within 2 days. That is by October 12. So you see all these dates are generating automatically, which will not be a Thursday. Which will not be a Thursday, because day after doesn't change the value of today. I repeat, by October 12. So again I have written I repeat, then by October 12, how did I do? So save date means save the current date. Okay, then advanced date. So and then today. By the way, when you use this package, advanced date package, then it is better, it is written here, it is better to use write the command save date right at the beginning. Right here I have written see save date, so that the original date is stored somewhere for future use. Otherwise you cannot go back to the original date. Advanced day will modify that date. So okay, and this one, where is it? Yeah, so that's why current date is saved. I need not have written, it is written save date is not necessary if written earlier. I have already written it earlier, so it is not written here. But since at this stage current date and the original date is same, I have written this in case you have forgotten to write save date earlier, so it is better to write save date. Then advance date, then today, which will actually be a name day. That means which will actually be a Saturday. And after that again set date means the original date will be restored. Whatever was saved in by save date, that date will be restored here by the set date command. So a set date command is used several times. So that is it. And then here also you see that one liner for name of the day is name of the month also can be combined with advance date package. For example, please remember to compile this file again within 5 months. That is by advance month 5, name month year, that is given by the one liners, and then set date. But the output is please remember to compile this file again within 5 months, that is by March 2025. Then please remember to visit my channel in the months of see advanced month this, but output is please remember to visit my channel in the months of December, February, April and June. Okay. So this is whatever we have discussed. Whatever we had to discuss, we have discussed. And now if you are really interested in date time 2 package, what we have to do here is that first it is written everything here. If you want to use date time 2 package, then this def should not be, replace the second def by edef. So this def should be edef, and this second def, this also should be edef. Okay. Then this date time package should be here. All other use package command is earlier, but after that you have to write the one liners, otherwise there will be some problem. So this date time 2 package should be used like this, and it should be used with these options English and show date of week, day of week. This one you have to use. And then there are many other things which let me compile, and then after getting the error message we will see. Okay, no error message is there, but let's see what is the difference. So this is no problem. So this month is October. So this is given by the one liners correctly. This is given by the extreme package C. Same thing. Date time 2 package is giving. Okay. So here I go to the source and then yeah. So all these things I have to remove the percentage signs. This one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, and let me compile it. Yeah. So date time package gives you this month is October, this month is October 2024. So all three options are giving you same result. And today is Thursday. This is given by date time package. Okay. Today's date is October this thing. But what about the future and past dates? This is giving wrong result. This is not working correctly. You see, after 142 days, the date will be October 10, 2024. That means it is all giving incorrect answers. Okay. 140 days, 2 days ago, also it was October 10, 2024. That means this package is completely nullified by the datetime2 package. So if you are using datetime2 package, then this will not work. This section will not work. So you have to be extremely careful if you are using this package. Okay. So and of course, so with datetime2 package, you can get the present day of the week. Today's uh, name of the weekday you can get. Today's thing is where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, date time to today is Thursday. So this one is given by date time two only. Today is this one by Thursday, but future date you cannot get. So this is what, and even in the title also you can use if you like this one title date. I have used this one. So if you like, you can use this date also. Put the date given by the one liner into in a comment it out. So this is given by the this thing date temp package. So still the result is same only. And few lastly before I leave, a few more things whatever I have used here. So remember this thing. The yeah. So this per indent value you can modify. So if you want, you can increase this per indent value. Remove this comment sign. Then this paragraph, this indentation can be increased or decreased. So let us compile it. See, it has increased little bit. Okay, if it is not visible, I can increase it more, maybe 50. Then you will see what is happening. So it has increased by quite a lot of amount. Then this line is for space between paragraphs. This is first paragraph, this is second paragraph. So this is space between paragraphs. You can control 4 point plus 1 point minus 1 point means stretching is 1 point and shrinking 1 point. So that means actual value is from 3 to 5 points. So plus 1 point minus 1 point. This is how it is written. Line spread is space between lines. These are all multiples, 1.3 times the original. And if you don't want hyphenation, see here, if I remove all those things, you will get some unwanted hyphenation in the document. So if I do it, somewhere you will get unwanted. Let's see where did I get unwanted. No, yeah, did I get anything unwanted? Anyway, it has not given anything unwanted, but sometimes you will see that some unnecessary hyphenation is coming up, and which you don't like normally. So it is better to use this one so that you don't have to worry about hyphenation. And that's all I think. And this is extreme package. Graphics package is for the scaling. Hyperref I have already explained. So that's all in this video. Hope you have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Okay.